Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we are taking this makeup off and I am telling you about the 5 Juvia skin products that I purchased a few weeks ago. I really wanted to wait a few weeks until I had actually used them to let you know how I liked them because honest review and all. So I'm no stranger to Juvia's Place. I tried their foundation. It wasn't really for me. I love their concealer. It is fabulous, and their shade sticks. So I figured, why not give their skincare line a try? This is not a sponsored video. I purchased these items on my own. I have my receipt right here. $167 worth of products, so I'm gonna let you know the truth. So first things first, having a good makeup remover for me is super important, and I saw their cleansing balm and everybody was like rubbing it all over their face. It looked super like luxurious and soft, but also Vaseline works just fine for me. So if I was gonna purchase this, I needed it to be super good. The cleansing balm is $18. It comes in a container like this. It's the Let's Melt It Off. As you can see, I've used quite a bit. I don't even have the little spatula thing that comes with it to put on your face. I don't have that anymore. So what I do is just push my hair out of my face. I use the tip of my fingernail and I just kind of scrape around the side. You don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a long way, but I like a lot of products, so I'm gonna use a lot of product. First things first, take off your lashes. I don't think you would want to have to wash this out of your lashes, so just take them off. If you have individual lashes, just make sure you don't get it in your lashes because trying to get oily things out of hair is it's a lot. So I'm wearing a full face of makeup. I'm going to slather it on my hands, rub it in my cheeks, on my lips. It makes a mess, but it gets it all off. On my eyes, all over. I have super pigmented makeup on, a couple of layers, and honestly, when you just like rub it, it comes out. I'm gonna still wash my face after this, so the wipe is perfectly fine. I look a crazy mess, but here's the wipe, and this stuff really gets like everything off. I think with the power of the wipe and the power of the oily cleansing balm, it really works well. You only need one wipe. It gets literally everything off. So my face is pretty much clean. Well, at least the surface. I still have makeup in my pores. So then the next product that I'm going to use is the Let's Melt It Off Gel Cleanser. I am about like right here in this cleanser now. I use this like in the morning too when I get up and get ready for my day. But the gel cleanser is $16, and honestly, guys, I have not paid this much for like a cleansing set in a long time. The cleanser is super like gentle on my skin. I use warm water, I lather it up, and then I just rinse it off. I'm gonna run and do that in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the other products. So up next in this process is the 10% Glycolic Toner. It looks like this. Mine actually spilled in the package before they sent it, or something spilled on it because the lettering was kind of scrubbed off right there. So I was a little worried that I had lost some product or my product got like contaminated, but it's fine. Now here's the thing about products like this. I need more of like a clinical strength product because I have hyperpigmentation, and for that I know I'm not going to get that through like Juvia's Place. I'm not going to get that. I'm going to have to go to like esthetician and get prescription strength products. So I just wanted something that was going to do minimal good for my skin, and this is it. If you're looking for something like super duper strength, I mean, this is not for you. This is just like a daily use product. You're not going to see any like landmark amazing changes in your skin with this product. So I use these little pads and I just press down. I like to saturate my pads, and I use 2. And you're supposed to go up. I don't care. I go every which way on my skin, and it Gives a little tingle depending on if I've washed my face with my spin brush or whatever, but it feels really good also. And this helps me to see if I'm missing any spots that have foundation on them. As you can see, I still had a little foundation in my pores. I do close my eyes and go over my eyes, but I'm careful not to get it in my eyes. Now, after you use this product, you're gonna be super ashy. And the price of that toner is $24. Now, I do follow it up with the Clarify and Glow Vitamin C Serum. It's 25% vitamin C, and the best way that I can put this on is to fill the little syringe part here with the product, put a little on my forehead, put a little on my cheek, and then put a little on the other cheek, and it will run down. So you got to kind of move quickly and just rub it in. It feels like an oil, but like not an oil that's going to clog your skin. It's super moisturizing, it's super soothing, especially if you use that toner and you get a little bit of a tingle. It's gonna make you look like a glazed donut. It feels super good, super soothing. And I just rub that into my skin gently. Make sure I'm covering all the space where I have washed and toned. Okay, so now that I'm super shiny and I have my serum on my face, I am going in with the cream. This cream is the Peptide and Ceramide cream. It looks like this. It does not have an SPF, so I just use this at night. I don't use it during the daytime. What I use for an SPF and moisture during the daytime is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. It also has a peptide complex in it, but it has SPF 30, which everybody needs an SPF. So I only use this for nighttime. So I just take a little bit of the cream with my finger, maybe that much, and I just distribute it all over my face before I rub it in. A little bit with this cream goes a long way. And I mean a long way. It is like super buttery and soft, and it really feels great. Oh my gosh. And I can say I have not had any active acne since using these products, which is great. But I haven't seen any clearing of my hyperpigmentation, which I do not expect. And I know that I will need more clinical treatment for that. So all in all, I really do enjoy the products. They all feel really good on my skin. They don't have a harsh smell. They are kind of expensive, but I feel like for a really good system, you're gonna pay a pretty penny. One thing I would change is that I wish the moisturizer had an SPF because it feels great, but if I use it, I still have to add SPF on top of it, and I'm trying to protect my skin as much as possible. Do you need the cleansing balm to take off your makeup? Probably not. You can use Vaseline for that, honestly, and makeup wipes if you want to do that, but the cleansing balm does feel amazing. So if you're looking for a decent set that's probably not going to give you any extra skin irritation, I feel like this set would be really, really good for you. Let me know if you tried it or if you've tried any of their other skin products. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.